side is probably not far off. Now I've got those too, so no, you do have to take the axle apart, but you have to take the steering knuckle off, basically. That part, correct, yes. So that's really easy to do, actually. I just don't really like doing it right after I was already down there. Yeah, if I had known ahead of time, I could have gotten the part taken care of it all. I just don't like having to take all that apart again. I don't like having to take all that. We've got a torn axle going down there, so we have to take all that apart again. Yep. Yes, you do. Actually, you don't have to. That's all you got to do, really, is take that off. It's not really, I'm just kind of blowing it up a little bit. Yeah. And did you see how that moved? How that moved when I did that? Did you see how that moved? Yeah, so, we do need to, and I'll lubricate that. What I'll do is I'll put the new lube on. As I do it, I'll actually put the lubrication on the joint there and pack some inside the lube and then put the lube on. I've got some chassis lubes. I use the red stuff. The red, yes. It actually stands up a lot better to higher temperatures. Its lubrication is better than the other stuff is. Certainly motorcycles benefit from that. So you definitely should not use the E10 or the E85 in a motorcycle.